How to fix Steam's login error. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up the local disk C on your PC or laptop, and in the C drive you would be able to find the option of or the folder of program files. In the bracket you would be able to see x86. Just simply open up the folder of program files. There you would be able to find the folder of Steam. Simply open it up, then open the folder of config. Under the folder of, you would be able to find a file of config.vdf. Simply open this file in Notepad, and after that you would be able to see a weird code over there. Just simply click on the option of edit and click on the option of find. And now you need to find a keyword. Just type accounts and click on find next. After that, just simply check the notepad, and there you would be able to find the accounts. Just right below it, you would be able to find the username of yours, the actual username for your Steam. Just simply use this particular username while logging into your Steam, and this should be able to solve your problem of login error. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.